think to be a successful college student, you have to seize every opportunity that's in front of you and make the most of anything and everything. It's really taking advantage of all that you have and realizing that college just isn't about the academics, it's about gaining that holistic experience. So one of the main reasons why I wanted to become super involved on campus was I was a commuter student and I knew that I could be just as involved when I came here. So right away I wanted to join as many things as I could. I was involved with CAPE, which plans a lot of the major kind of events that happen on campus, outreach, because I'm really passionate about service. I've done an alternative break trip. I've written for the newspaper. I'm currently the editor for the Provost newsletter. I'm also a presidential ambassador and have worked for just about almost every office on campus, I think. Being involved has really made my experience here. I think everyone comes to college wanting to find that niche that everyone talks about, and getting involved allows you to connect with people and it makes you feel wanted. And ever since my freshman year, that's exactly what I gained from all the amazing mentors that I've had at SNHU. By far, one of the most rewarding experiences I've had is participating in the Alternative Break program through the Center for Community Engaged Learning. It really forced me to step out of my comfort zone, and what I learned on the trip I was able to bring back and apply to not only the SNHU community, but my community, and I'm just excited to see the world. My experience here has just been overwhelmingly positive. The campus in a whole, I have loved the energy that's come from this campus, and it's allowed me to, again, kind of foster that own energy, and I've been able to gain such a momentum from being here that even in my senior year, although I'm very sad to leave because I'm going to miss that family, I know I can keep that momentum, and I'm excited to see what else I can do.